Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Place the playhead where the motion should begin and select the clip. Open the Effects or Motion panel because that's where Clipchamp stores animatable properties. Choose the property you want to animate, scale, position, rotation, or opacity, and click the keyframe button or plus icon to record the first state. This anchors the initial values. Once done, the clip knows what to interpolate from. Make sure the first keyframe accurately reflects your starting frame. Next, move the playhead to where the change should end and add a second keyframe, then adjust the property to the target value. This produces motion between 2 points, and you can refine timing by dragging keyframes on the timeline. For natural movement, apply easing or tweak curves so it eases in or out rather than snapping. This explains why motion feels realistic. Once you like the motion, copy and paste keyframes to replicate the effect across clips, keeping consistent timing and rhythm. To finish, scrub or play the clip to preview the animated result, and then tweak spacing between keyframes to perfect timing. Closer keyframes speed the change, wider spacing slows it. Group or nest clips with related animations so you don't accidentally move keyframes, and lock layers when satisfied. If you see jitter or unexpected jumps, snap keyframes to whole frames, recheck interpolations, or enable stabilization. These steps fix most issues. Finally, export a short test to confirm smooth play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.